Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Danish pastry. First, activate 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast in warm milk with a pinch of sugar. Next, combine flour, sugar, salt, and cold butter pieces in a bowl. Add the yeast mixture and gently knead until a shaggy dough forms. Cover and chill this dough for 30 minutes to prepare for the next step. Now, let's prepare the butter block. Take 8 tablespoons of cold butter and form it into a 6 by 6 inch square between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Chill this butter block until firm. Next, roll your chilled dough into a 12 by 12 inch square. Carefully place the firm butter block directly in the center of your dough. This step is crucial for flakiness. Fold the dough edges over the butter block, completely enclosing it. Then, roll the dough into a 16 by 8 inch rectangle. Perform a letter fold by folding 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the remaining third over that. Chill the dough for 30 minutes and repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your delicious pastries. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Cut the dough into desired shapes, like squares or triangles, and add your favorite fillings, such as fruit or cream cheese. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Enjoy your homemade Danish pastry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.